Jeff's here at the moment, helping out. I've just taken a little bit of a back step at the moment, but it's running. They've got all the fuel pipes in. There's got a lot to do though. There's sort of wires everywhere. They need to fit a purge valve because, well, we've checked the engine out with the link system and it's coming up with a purge valve fault and a knock sensor, but I think that's stuck in the system, the knock sensor. There's no check engine light, but what I might find, it's not actually in the computer, it's not throwing the light on. I don't know what. They need to, well, they don't need to do it now, but they need to take the brake master cylinder off to take out the clutch pedal because it doesn't need it anymore. Like I said, there's wires to be tidied up, but I think they would just want to get it running. Let's go and see Jeff.
No, I need my.
Now I've sort of stepped back from this because we've got the number one man here. We've got Jeff, and he's doing some wiring.
Yeah. Fun wiring.
You like it, Jeff?
Yeah.
You love it?
Yeah, it's fun.
Good. Now, it's a good job, isn't it?
Oh yes.
It's like Sudoku, 3D Sudoku, isn't it? And we should say that Jeff's a little bit colourblind, aren't you? So you're the number one man for this job.
Look at that, it's black.
Everything's all on colours, so they all look the same to you. It just matters,
I'm just choosing wires.
There's just wires everywhere. So we got the pump going, we got the car going, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, you've got the car going.
Yes,
so
it's running now.
It's running, and now it's just working out the shift interlock.
Yeah, and in a couple of minutes you'll be able to drive it out.
Holy schmoly.
Yep.
It's a bit confusing, isn't it? Because these wiring diagrams here, and you know, we've got this diagram down here which is off a later V8.
Yeah, this is complicated for me. That's colour.
Yeah.
This is way better.
But does that look the same as that one then?
Everything.
This is for babies, is this one? But this is for technical people. Like, I don't know why they don't do it in Braille. Anyway, just for our viewer, because we only have one. These diagrams,
and I'm here.
You have to sort of work out how these work. Let's have a look at this here. We've got C1. We've got C5 here. Oh, that's that one. So we've got C5. Yeah, here we go. So, if I explain the wiring diagram, because once you get it, you get it. The power always starts at the top and comes down to the bottom. Doesn't necessarily mean it's a ground on this line, but any time it says an E number, that's an earth. Makes sense, doesn't it?
It is.
There you go. So it's like a flow diagram, but what is the confusing part is when it gets to these little triangles here. So when it comes down here, this means C15. C1, page 5. Land Rover in the logical, I don't know what they were thinking of, put the number at the bottom, so when you're looking at it on screen, you have to scroll down the screen to see what page you're on. They should have put it at the top, but that's me. So we've got a flow coming down here, goes up there, comes down here, through the park neutral switch, anti-theft alarm, we're not bothering with that, and then to ground. That means then we can use this switch. That's alright. And we've worked this one out, haven't we? Because that goes down to E200. That's just going to a ground, isn't it? Black to a ground.
Yes.
This was a bit of a tricky one because there's colours everywhere. Look at this here. But when it says R, it means that one that looks pink.
Well.
Yeah, it does look, well, it doesn't look pink to you or red, does it? What colour does it look to you? Green or? Well, it doesn't really matter.
Kind of pink, yeah.
Yeah, kind of pink, isn't it? And then it loops back to a black.
Or faded red.
Faded red, yeah, I don't know how it's faded under the car.
I don't know how you can staple it.
And then orange and yellow. Now that's a tricky one because there's an orange wire there, but if you look very carefully, where is it now? Here, there's a yellow band that's almost ready to rub off.
A yellow tracer.
Yeah, and then it loops through the switch back down to ground, and that allows us to press the brake pedal.
And when you do,
it shifts gear. So we've just cobbled this up temporarily so Mike can get it home, and then he can decide what to do after that. Yeah.
Where's Mark?
Huh?
Where's Mark?
I was cutting up the airbox to get the screw out. It's I can't do it anymore. Now. Oh no, the exhaust is getting an exhaust, isn't he?
Yeah, supposedly at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock is getting the a custom piece pipe, so probably that won't fit.
Hopefully it will.
Who measured it?
I did, but he measured the angle. So I'm hoping that the length is going to be alright.
Yeah, I hope so too. Anyway, like I say, I'm just here as a technical person to
Just here.
Do you like that light, Jeff? It's good, isn't it?
What?
I bet you want one now, don't you?
Yeah.
Those overhead lights.
I'll keep that one.
Huh?
I'm going to keep that
I'll
one.
give you one if you want one.
Yes, I want one.
I'll give you one. I've got loads of them. But the idea of clipping them on with
It's a bit intrusive.
well, you want
should
bloody
have
sunglasses? You
some
don't want
shade
them
over
things
it.
there. You want sunglasses?
Yeah.
And then you'll really see these wires. Oh,
You're having fun, are you?
no, I'm having a great time.